Napakalaking tulong po nito kasi syempre po, nagdaan tayo sa pandemic. Hindi na mapaglaanan ng yung para sa sarili, kundi yung para sa pang-araw-araw na napupunta ang budget.
Rotary Day of Service ngayon ay napaka-espesyal. Na-accomplish natin ang 7 areas of focus sa isang araw.
Ganyan po, meron na po siyang gaslaling.
Dito po kasi to serve, di ba? Above self. So, kaya po kami nag-join ng Rotary.
I touch on the drug demand reduction program as well as the role of the community, the school, and the different workplaces to quell this particular drug menace that affects our youth and our community.
This is the Rotary Day of Service. That is what Commemorate 1 is not the most important program. Fits to our mind the skills, TRF, and membership. For after all, while TRF does the sourcing and using funds of our projects, and membership provides hearts and minds that carries out our projects, it is our service projects that we actually do one day. It's not eliminate the areas of focus of Rotary, otherwise described the causes of Rotary.
Cervical cancer still remains to be the second most common cancer in women. So ano bang problema? One is ayaw ng pasyente na bumabalik-balik. They want immediate result. Second is gusto nila affordable and gusto nila agad-agad nagkukuha. But how can you do it in the night na walang doktor? We have, I believe, have a solution. And this is the solution which I am holding at this point in time today. Ginagamit po natin itong colposcope para picturean po yung cervix. With artificial intelligence, in 5 minutes po, may resulta na. Itong images na to, ipapadala po yan sa doktor. And then, it's the doctor who is now trying to read. So, it's accurate.
Natapos na mo ba yung mali nito?
Okay, clear.
Okay, sige, congratulations.
Thank you.
We are Rotary.
We are people of action!
We are Rotary.
We are people of action.
We are Rotary.
We are people of action!
We are Rotary.
We are people of action.
We are Rotary.
We are people of action.
Nagbigay kami ng tela for the benefit of the mothers of the town. The mayor is planning to build a fabric and textile industry in their town para at least magkaroon ng self-sufficient income yung mga nanay na mga indigent. And then at the same time, we have also donated mga seedlings and also mga gardening tools for their community garden to be self-sufficient not just in income but also in food.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Rotary! Feliz Navidad! Because everybody chipped in and helped. magandang kinalabasan niya today. Marami kasing tumulong. Yun ang importante. Everyone did their part.
We conducted this recycling campaign sa Rotary Day of Service. Kahit anong underwear na unwanted na, pwede pa yang ma-recycle. Anything made of fiber, plastic, and paper, pwede kasing gawing fluff fuel. Yan yung nagiging alternative instead of using coal. And itong fluff fuel is being used by cement producers in Cebu.
Extraordinary Rotary Day of Service para sa komunidad, para sa lahat na nangangailangan.
Isa po sa binibigay naming libreng serbisyo ay ang free mobile x-ray. Ito po.
Dala po namin yung vision screening that has been a global grant po from the RCW Wago. And we want to share it with the district.
Astigmatism po kayo.
Minsan sa so much stress, so much nagkakaroon na rin tayo ng anxiety. Minsan nakakaisip ka ng hindi maganda actually. We have to have that kind of project para at least ma-reduce ba natin yung mga conception at yung stigma ng tsaka ma-encourage yung mga nagsasuffer doon na to seek help.
We are Rotary.
We are people of action.
We are Rotary. We are people of action.
We are Rotary.
We are people of action.
Nagdali-dali po ako na pumunta kasi po laking bagay po na nakatulong po siya sa libre. Bali, yung bunot na po kasi sa private po 1,000. Pag pinakamababa na po, 500. Para sa akin po, pag sinabi kasing Rotary, may tiwala po akong maganda yung service. May quality.
Sa mga natulungan po ng Rotary, kami po ay nagpapasalamat dahil kayo po ay dumating at natulungan nyo rin po kami para maging successful ang aming activity. Pero hindi po doon tumitigil ang araw na to. Sana po kung kayo naman po ang may pagkakataon na tumulong, we pay it forward. Itulong din po natin sa iba kung ano ang kaya nyong itulong bilang tao. Mapapera man yan, mapaoras man po yan, or talent. Ganyan po ang mindset namin sa Rotary.
As long as I'm productive, yes, I will stay Rotarian.
At sa pamamagitan po ng ating pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan, we can say,
We are